Hi everyone, I am Vishal and welcome to yet another book haul and book flip through video. So we have got a lot of books for today's flip through. We have some small books, some big hardcovers, and a lot more. So these books are, I ordered them from Kids Book Store India, and they have, some of them have a lot of very beautiful illustrations, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy the book haul and the flip through. So yeah, let's head to the book haul. So welcome to another book haul. So we have got a lot of books and let's start. The books are from Kids Book Store India, and I don't remember how many books I ordered, but looking at the size of the packet, I believe more than 10. No. So let's count how many books we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So let's start with the paperbacks. So we have got Hattie Peck, written and illustrated by Emma Levy. So we have got some colorful illustrations of the chicken in here, and so here's a wish list from for Santa. Then we have I Did See a Mammoth. Is one page missing? So we have got lot of cute little penguins. And by a lot, I mean a lot. So here's the mammoth, perhaps. Here we have got Miss Pepperpot and the Blueberries. So either cease rank or everything other become magnified. And we have some very nice little illustrations. A total of 32 pages. Toad makes a road. So the illustrations from the Usborne publication house are quite beautiful. So here we have got a toad, and he is making a road. Two more books from Usborne. So how to draw animals. Basically the books that they have on drawing are not that much detailed or explained, and you cannot follow the instruction to create the paintings that are shown in here. Very basic instructions are given, but not step by step or detailed instruction which is required to paint, like that is provided in I Can Draw series by Terry Longhurst. So I prefer those books. But yeah, here we have another drawing book, How to Draw Animals. Then and Now, illustrated by Peter Foreman. So we have got quite the contrast in here. So here we have some beautiful illustrations, and now Life Cycle book by Althea Hedgehogs. So we have got Fly Agaric Mushroom. Another beautifully illustrated kids book, and some nice little illustrations to follow along with by Benedict Blathwart. The last two by Alison Utley, picture by Margaret Tempest. So we are done with the paper bags. Now the hardcovers. So I thought that this book only would be more thick and more big, but it's very small. I think we got 8 or 10 10 photographs of exotic animals. Then we have got In Praise and Celebration of Sister by Helen Axel gift book. A Helen Axel gift book. So we have got a lot of beautiful illustrations of sisters. Now the big books. The big book of Horrid Henry. 20 colorful stories and much more. So this really is a big book. Next we have My Ladybird, Treasury of Stories and Rhymes by Peter Stevenson. We have some beautiful illustrations. A lot of beautiful illustration. and even full page illustrations. So this one has a lot of very beautifully illustrated pictures, watercolor illustrations, and these hardbacks cost me around perhaps from 349 to 399 or perhaps 499. Then we have Children's Treasury, The Random House, a very thick book with another set of illustrations. So we have got lots of birds in here. Two more books to go. The Wind and the Willow. The Wind and the Willow. So we don't have that much illustration and the book is a bit damaged. Now, a treasury of teddy tales. So here we have got some cool illustrations. So it was published in 1997. And lastly, The Cat in the Hat. So I do hope you enjoyed this book haul and the flip through. So let me know which one was your favorite book. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 hardbacks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a total of 17 books. If you like the video, drop me a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and you can check out the other books flip through and haul. So yeah, thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want me to know that you have reached up to here, just comment Apple, and you can check out the other book haul and flip through. I'll link the playlist up here and down in the description. And if you have any feedback, ideas or suggestion, or if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment. And until next time, peace.